Minister with portfolio responsibility for correctional services, Matthew Samuda, has signaled the government's intention to make amendments to the current laws to bolster the operations of the correctional facilities. His statement follows a recent raid at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center. Anthony Lugg tells us more.
Contraband in police lockups and prisons island-wide is nothing new, but it appears things have taken a turn for the worse.
Hey, killers and killers, Shelling. Yeah. I'm rolling murder.
No, man, let's show them see buckle.
This video is believed to have been recorded at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center, and TVJ News has learned that the High Command is extremely concerned. A probe has since been launched into the video.
Rich badness. Rolling murder.
This is the same facility where a correctional officer was killed recently. The killing, along with the leaked videos, are believed to be the reason for last week's operation, where scores of cell phones, knives, jammers, and other contraband were seized.
I don't believe in knee-jerk actions or any one-off operation just to give a signal. At the end of the day, we're going to use the resources we have to the best of our ability to bring about the security outcomes in and outside of our prison walls. At the end of the day, we know that there's a problem with contraband. We know there's systemic failures within the correctional system that we have to correct. What we can't correct yet with technology, because we're going through a procurement process, we'll correct with human intervention.
That assurance from Mr. Samuda, but the recent videos have again sparked outrage, with questions being raised about how the prisoners get access to these prohibited items.
We've not been operating in a legislative framework that allows any commissioner or any minister to take the strong actions that we believe the public want. Now, those changes and amendments to the legislation will come in a matter of months, not a matter of years. Like very, very early in the new year, we're working around the clock on these changes. So the public should be confident that we're doing what is required.
He added that investment is being made in technology as well as infrastructure. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.